I knew that it didn't matter how many no's I heard. It didn't matter how long it took, but I was going to find 5 good people to join me in this business, to be coaches with me and work together to build our businesses together. And I knew that if I found 5 good people, that I would be able to create a 6-figure income. That's how this business works. If you find 5 good people that want to build this business with you, you're going to create a full-time income doing this. And I knew that was going to happen because I was never going to give up connecting with people. I was never going to give up inviting people to join my free group. And I was never going to give up on introducing people to the coaching opportunity. Me giving up was not even an option because I'm stubborn. That's what I did. I just kept inviting, I kept introducing people to the coaching opportunity. And honestly, the first year, I didn't make a lot of sales. And I had no coaches to speak of, except my mom. But I didn't give up because I'm stubborn. So for me, when I'm talking to a new coach, I tell them the first year is like practice. That's where you're just building relationships. You're adding people to your free group. You're learning how to connect with people. You're learning how to talk to different people, how to deal with rejection and objections. That's kind of your practice. And most coaches give up in that first year before they hit that 12-month mark. For me, that's when everything really started to happen. After I hit that 12-month mark and had built all these relationships and had all these free people in my group after 1 year of doing that consistently for a year, that's when things exploded. That's when people started to join me as a coach because I had gotten better at what I was doing. I believed in myself a lot more because I've been doing it for a year. I believed in Beachbody a lot more. So if this is something you really want to do, if you want to create the freedom to be your own boss, if you want to fire your boss, if you want to quit your job and have the freedom to travel and pursue your passions and have more time for your friends and family, then you got to be willing to be consistent with connecting with people on social media and inviting people to join your free group and introducing people to the group, to the coaching opportunity for a full year. And then things will really start to take off. You can't put a time limit on freedom, on the freedom to create the life that you want, as opposed to having to listen to somebody who tells you when to be somewhere, how long to be there, and what to do while you're there. So never give up on this if this is something you really want. If you want to create that freedom for you and your family, be stubborn.